All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Caseology Athlex case here for my OnePlus 10 Pro. This case is only $15.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. As of today, there is an instant 7% off coupon that you can apply at checkout, so save a little bit of money. So if you are interested in buying this case after watching this video, do follow my affiliate link down in the description. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the packaging. So it looks just like pretty much every Caseology box that I have seen as of late. So you got the Caseology branding there, a picture of the case, it does say 10 Pro Athlex, and the color is called Active Black. So let's go ahead and get the case out. So let's go ahead and pull that tab, pull the case out. Let's get it out of the packaging here. And first thing that you notice is this bright yellow card here, which is kind of their normal thing. Says, welcome to the club, we're happy to have you. And then you open it up and there is a little bit of some stuff there. But if you have ever an issue, there's the support email. They are pretty dang good about getting back to people. And here is the case, guys. So very different, unique looking case than what I've dealt with for Caseology cases. So on the inside, we have that very recognizable, kind of mesmerizing illusion look there, right? So kind of get lost in it, but has this really nice feel to it that's going up against your phone, has a very minimal Caseology logo there. And then it does say protective case for OnePlus, Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. And then on the corners, guys, we are definitely going to be getting some good drop protection with this case as well. So definitely going to help with drop protection. So let's get this, let's get it put on. So let me go ahead and grab my 10 Pro here. Start with the alert slider first side and then push it in. Very easy install. And there we have it. So there is the case installed. Now, guys, I'm going to say this is probably so far the best feeling case, if I'm saying that right. It has this sandstone texture to it, so it feels fantastic. Has this fantastic grip to it. I absolutely love it. So there's the look. Kind of has these lines in it. Not really sure what this serves, what purpose it serves, but it's there, so is what it is. And then some lines there, Caseology logo there. Now you get the pop of color with like this gray color here for the actual camera bump protection there. So very minimal looking. So very smooth and simple. Lenses are recessed in there nicely. So once again, there's the back. Let's look at the sides here. So the sides kind of have this extra little bit of grip, which kind of reminds me of their other cases. I can't remember what they call it, but it has just this really great like Kevlar like texture here, so it's extra grippy. So yeah, it feels really good there. And then you have a really nice power button that is raised, and then of course the dip down for the alert slider there. And then going to the bottom here, we do have a nice cutout for the Type-C port, our mic and speakers. And then going to this side here, same thing like on the other side. We have that textured grip here, which does say Caseology right there. And then we do have our volume up and down buttons that are raised, as you can see. And then at the top, we do have a circle cutout for the mic up top. And that's kind of the little dip down for the speaker grill cutout there. Looking at it from the front, we do have some raised lips for the forehead and chin, which is definitely beneficial. And a little bit around the edges as well, because it is a curved display, so you are still getting some screen protection right there as well. So now let's go ahead and test that. Let's see how shaky this case is. So let's do back down first. So no shake at all actually from the back down test. And let's do the face down. Just a little bit right here for some reason. So definitely slim, but a little bit wobbly. So now let's go ahead and see how clicky these buttons are. So let's start with power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so once again, guys, very clicky buttons with this case, so definitely no issues at all. So now let's see how easy it is to use that alert slider. So even though it is a nice little cutout here, with that texture on the actual alert slider, you can just use your fingernails and that will help. But it does make you have to use your fingernails, it seems like. So that is just something to point out. With some of the other cases, I was able just to slide it with the finger, but there I needed to kind of assist it with my fingernail. And now let's do our Qi wireless charging test. So let's get the screen turned on, pop it on, and it is Qi wireless charging compatible, as you can see. So that does mean you are also able to use like wireless, like Pay, like Google Pay and stuff like that with this phone. No issues at all. So overall, guys, this case is great. I really love this texture of this case here. Feels fantastic in the hands. I definitely love that sandstone feel. It's just very, very grippy. Now, one thing that I have noticed when I was using it for a short period of time today is that it did tend to kind of grip in my pocket. So I did get like a little bit of some pocket lint and stuff on it, but it was very easy to brush off. So really no complaint there. I mean, if you want a grippy phone case, you're gonna deal with those issues sometimes. But all in all, guys, definitely feels great. Doesn't feel very heavy at all. So 2 thumbs up for sure. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.